E-bikes are evolving, and the ADO Air 30 Ultra is taking things to the next level. With its lightweight carbon fiber frame, powerful motor, and long battery life, this e-bike is built for speed, comfort, and urban adventure. Let's take a closer look. First, let's talk about design. The ADO Air 30 Ultra features a carbon fiber frame, making it incredibly lightweight yet strong. This means effortless handling and a smooth ride, whether you're commuting through the city or hitting longer distances. Plus, the minimalist design gives it a modern and stylish look. Now, let's talk power. The ADO Air 30 Ultra is equipped with a high-performance motor that delivers smooth and powerful acceleration. Whether you're climbing hills or cruising on flat roads, this e-bike provides an effortless ride with just the right amount of boost. Worried about battery life? The ADO Air 30 Ultra features a long-lasting battery, offering an impressive range on a single charge. Whether you're commuting or exploring, this bike keeps you going for miles without breaking a sweat. And when it's time to recharge, it's quick and easy. This e-bike is packed with smart features. From an intelligent LCD display that shows speed, distance, and battery life, to app connectivity for tracking rides and customizing settings, the ADO Air 30 Ultra is as smart as it is powerful. Lightweight, powerful, and packed with smart tech, the ADO Air 30 Ultra is designed to take your ride to the next level. Would you ride this e-bike? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews. See you in the next one.